Hello, plant lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of cozy corners and showing you how to turn even the tiniest spaces into a lush green havens. Whether you live in a small apartment or just want to make a corner in your home feel magical, these indoor plant decor ideas will inspire you. So stay tuned because we are not just talking about plants, we are talking about creating beautiful, functional, and calming spaces that make you want to linger. Choosing the right plants. The first step is choosing the right plants for small spaces. Look for plants that don't take up too much room but still make a visual impact. Remember, light is key. Place your plants where they get enough sun or consider light low options. For cozy corners that don't get much natural light. Next step is creative display ideas. Let's talk about display ideas that make your corner pop. Use floating shelves to create a mini jungle without taking up floor space. Tier plant stands are perfect for grouping different heights and textures. Other one is adding cozy elements. Now let's make your corner truly cozy. Add a small chair or booth nearby for a reading nook surrounded by greenery. Soft lighting like fairy lights or warm lamps make the space inviting in the evenings. The key is to create a balance between greenery and comfort, so your cozy corner becomes your personal escape, even in the middle of busy home. And there you have it. Simple, beautiful ideas to turn your small space into a cozy plant-filled haven. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another cozy corner transformation. Also comment below which plant or display ideas are you excited to try first. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your green creation. Thanks for watching, and remember, even the smallest corner can become your favorite green escape.